upper regions of Himalayas. No one knew who he was, where he came from. The origins of this spectacular being were unknown. His ecstasy allowed him some movement. He danced wildly. When intensity peaked, he became utterly still. People saw that he was experiencing dimensions that no one had. Ecstasy and intensity allowed him to transcend his physical form. Witnessing an individual human in union with the cosmos, they called him a yogi, as he was the first one, the When his stillness lasted for a year, he transmitted the profound science of yoga in its full depth and dimension. He expounded 112 methods of attainment. In this magnificent state of yoga, many mysteries of the created and the uncreated cascaded upon his unruly wild hair. It was a vision of the very core of the cosmos in all its profundity and magnificence, a vision of the unfathomable mysteries of the universe, a most overwhelming vision the sages and Devi Parvati had ever witnessed.